Hi everyone, this is Keshav Chauhan and today we're gonna talk about why should we depend less on technology. Yes, the technology we all use in our daily life. If I talk about it, that in this world we have used technology that much, we have know that how much it is important. We used it in our daily life. For example, I talk about like communication, entertainment, education, transportation, and many daily life activities. We use it whether we know it or not. And the most important part is it has made our life more faster and more I say convenient. Yes, it has made our life more easy and efficient. And however, I wanna say that technology has made people more dependent on it. Like the thing which is more easier, which makes you life easier, you start depending on it. And people have that much dependent, they use it for everything. Likewise, technology, like people use it for every single work. Why technology is over dependent, is harsh for you, because when you start depending on it, you start realizing that you are wasting your time on uh, screens, phone screens, and social media, and for hours, even without realizing. And after wasting on it, you realize that you haven't improved anything. If you have utilized that your time in your self, then you could easily improve in your communication or your skill, whatever you want to improve. But instead of it, you have dependent on it, and that's why it reduced your real life skills and communication. And that's why I want to say that, uh, for example, if I say, like, people are more dependent that for simple activities they try to use uh, technology, or I say internet of things, for everything. And uh, if I say that technology is such over depend people are more over dependent on technology, that they don't even think of it without before using that. Whenever if I ask you, when last time you have faced a problem, then what have you done? You will say that, Keshav, I have just go to ChatGPT or Google internet and asked if there is a solution of it. Yes, that's the problem. You are much dependent on the technology that you are using, and that's why you are not learning from anything you are experiencing. And from my own experience, if I say that I also dependent on technology, I wasted so much hours screening social media. But when I started utilizing the time, after reducing distraction, and put it that time on myself, I have realized that I am improving and getting more productive day by day. And uh, the main goal of this talk is not that technology is bad. Technology is good, but the over dependence is uh, make you reduce your level of thinking. That's why, in conclusion, I wanna say that technology is helpful, but over dependent can reduce your focus, your thinking level, and most of the part you are experiencing growth. Thank you.